What is absurdism? Have you ever wondered why humans search so desperately for meaning in a universe that never seems to answer back? This question sits at the very heart of absurdism, a philosophical idea most famously associated with the 20th century philosopher and writer Albert Camus. Absurdism begins with a simple but unsettling observation. Humans naturally crave purpose, clarity, and meaning, yet the universe itself appears silent, indifferent, and irrational. According to Camus, this clash between our desire for meaning and the universe's lack of answers creates what he called the absurd. It's not that life is meaningless on its own, but that our expectations and the universe's reality fundamentally collide. When faced with this absurd condition, Camus argued that people typically respond in three ways. The first is physical suicide, giving up on life entirely. Camus firmly rejected this option, seeing it as an escape rather than a solution. The second response is philosophical suicide, which involves inventing or blindly accepting absolute meanings, often through religion or ideology, to avoid confronting the absurd. Camus also rejected this, believing it denies the truth of our condition. The third response, and the one absurdism embraces, is acceptance and rebellion. To live as an absurdist is to fully recognize life's lack of ultimate meaning while continuing to live passionately anyway. This is not a pessimistic stance, but a defiant one. Camus believed that by accepting the absurd, we free ourselves from false hopes and imposed purposes, allowing us to live more honestly and intensely. Camus illustrated this idea through the myth of Sisyphus, a man condemned by the gods to roll a boulder up a mountain for eternity, only for it to roll back down each time. From the outside, Sisyphus's task seems pointless and cruel. Yet Camus famously concluded, "One must imagine Sisyphus happy." Why? Because Sisyphus is aware of his fate and still continues. His awareness and refusal to surrender become acts of rebellion. In essence, absurdism teaches us that meaning is not something we discover in the universe, but something we create through our choices, actions, and attitude. Even in a world without clear answers, we can live fully, love deeply, and find value in the experience of being alive itself.